What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex and welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a simple step-by-step campaign that I can go and launch right today. I can make a lot of money. You're going to follow this step-by-step method I'm going to be showing you guys today. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch step-by-step till the end, and we're going to take action on this method I'm going to show you guys today. You can make a lot of money because this is a working method, and if you follow step-by-step, you're going to start getting results as well. So I've used this exact method myself, and I've gotten great results using this exact method. So I'm going to give you guys all the step-by-step method I'm going to use to start making sales very fast on Clickbank right today. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're going to get notified time that I post new videos that can help you guys start making some extra money on Clickbank. Also want to get my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales every day on Clickbank, be sure to click the first link in the description. You can go and get my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales every day on Clickbank. So that's it, guys. I want you guys to watch this video step by step to the end, and if you are going to take action on this method I'm going to be showing you guys, you're going to get results because I'm going to show you guys all the steps from the start to the end they can follow right today and start making some sales very fast on Clickbank. So that's it, guys. Be sure to watch step by step and take action. And let's get into the video, guys. Let me show you guys how I can go and use this exact method and start making some sales very fast on Clickbank. Okay, guys, so the first step is that you're going to go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, and we're going to choose a product we're going to go on promote with this exact method. So if you go to the affiliate marketplace, all you're going to do is you're going to go and click on sing. You're going to type sing. So if you type, for example, sing, you're going to see this product we're going to go on promote. So you're going to start by gravity right here. I'm going to show you guys the product you can go and promote and make a lot of money from it. So the product is called Singorama. So you can see you're going to make up to $97 per sale. You're going to be promoting this product right here. And this is a singing product, so people that are going to be buying this product are people that are interested in singing, and this product is going to show them how to go and sing a lot better. And this is a product that's been selling on Clickbank for a long time, which means that this product gets results for its customers and also has a very low refund rates on this particular product. So if you go to the sales page, you're going to see that they're going to be giving away a free mini course. So they're going to be giving a free mini course to anybody that sign up. Then they're going to be selling the main offer in the back end. That's where you're going to be making most of your money. So it is going to be a very low barrier to entry because people are going to be getting a free course right here, and they're going to be selling them the main course in the back end. So you can see they're going to get a free 5-part singing course, and if they sign up for this free mini course, then they're going to be selling them the main offer in the back end. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to go and create a landing page. So many of you guys have written that you don't know how to create a landing page. So today I'm going to show you how you can go and create a landing page very easy to start promoting this offer. So the software that I use to create landing pages right now that I've started using to create landing pages is very easy. It's called BILLIONAIRES. So you can go and sign up for BILLIONAIRES. I'm going to leave a link in the description that you can go and sign up for BILLIONAIRES, and you can go and create landing pages very easy. So it has also 14 days free trial, so you can go and use BILLIONAIRES for 14 days before you can start paying for BILLIONAIRES. And the plans on BILLIONAIRES are very cheap, guys. So they are very cheap compared to ClickFunnels. So I use BILLIONAIRES, and it's very easy for you to go and create a landing page on BILLIONAIRES. So that's it. I'm going to show you how you can go and create a landing page on BILLIONAIRES in less than 5 minutes. So to go to BILLIONAIRES, once you have signed up for BILLIONAIRES, I'm going to leave the link in the description. What you're going to do is you're going to have a dashboard right here. You're going to see that you're going to have 14 days free trial to use this software for completely free before you can start paying for this software. So once you go to this home page right here, to go and create a landing page, you don't have to complicate this. All you're going to do is you're going to go to Cheetah drag and drop builder. You're going to go and click on enter, and you're going to create a landing page. So if you don't know how to create a landing page on BILLIONAIRES, just watch this video step by step. I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page very easy. So what you're going to do from here is that your own is going to be completely blank. What you're going to do is you're going to click on create new site, and you're going to be able to create a simple landing page. So what you're going to do from here is that since you are promoting this product that's teaching people on how to go and sing, what you're going to do is you're going to write the headline right here. So I'm going to write, for example, learn how to sing. You can write this as the title of your landing page. So what you're going to do from here is that you're going to click on select template. Click on select template. You're going to select a template that we're going to go and use for promoting this product. So you can see there are a lot of different templates. You can see there are a lot of different templates here. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose a simple one that is very easy for us to customize and promote this product. So let me just choose one right here. So I like to choose a very simple template so that it's very easy for me to customize, and I'll be up and running in less than 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose one from here. So I'm just going to choose this one, so I can click on preview. So I can click on preview and see how your landing page is going to look like. So let's click on preview this one and see how this is going to look like if you're going to be using this particular landing page. So you can see this is how your landing page is going to be. So it's very easy for you to go and use this. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on, you're going to select this one, you're going to click on save, and you're going to choose this template to create our landing page. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on save, and you're going to be able to go and customize this. So from here, what you're going to do from here is you're going to go and click on edit site. So click on edit site. You're going to go and edit your site. So click on edit page, and that is it. You're going to be able to edit your page. So you can just click on cancel. All you're going to do from here is you can just write a simple headline right here. You can input an image right here. You're going to input a button here that people can click and go to your affiliate offer. So I'm just going to write a simple headline right here. So I'm going to edit this. I'm just going to write, for example, learn how to sing like a pro. So let me just delete this. Learn how to sing like a pro. And let's go back to the sales page and let's see if you can get some content. So you can see, learn how to sing with confidence, power, and peace. So you can just copy some of this. For example, you can copy with this, and we're just going to use this in our headline. So you can just paste this right here. And that is it. That's how easy it is for you to go and create a landing page on Builder. So we can just select all of this and we can increase the size. So let's increase the size of these two, for example 30. So let's increase the size more. And that's it. That's how easy it is for you to go and create a landing page. So what you can do is I can just drag this right down, you can just reduce down, you can just drag this. So it's very easy for you to go and customize Builder. So you can just leave this as your headline right here. I can just go and bold some of this. You can just write, for example, learn how to sing. So you can just underline this and you can bold this, and you can also change the color. And that's it. Your landing page is already done. What you're going to do is you can delete this. So you can click on delete icon right here. Click on delete. I can click on add element. I can add another element. So if you want to add an image, you can click on elements. I can click on image. So you can just go and drag an image right here. So click on image. You can just drag this image right here. So that's it. This is an image. So what I can do is I can just click on this. I can go and change the image. So you click on this, you can click on general settings. I can click on change image. So you can click on change image. I can go and download a simple image on Google that I can go and use on your landing page. So you can see this is an image. So I just search on Google and I found this image. You can just search on Google, for example, how to sing. You're going to find this type of images. You can upload it. You can click on select file and can upload it right here. And once you upload it, you can click on select. I can just click on save, and that's it. That's how easy it is for you to go and create a landing page. You can see that our landing page is already ready right here. I can go and use this to promote our offer. So what we're going to do from here is that we're going to go and input a button right here. So to do that, what we're going to do is I'm going to go and click on add and go to elements. I can scroll down. I'm going to see button. So you can select the button that you want to use right here. So you can see these are different buttons. So you can just choose one. So let me just choose this one, for example. The one that you choose, you just drag right here and put it right here. So that's the button, and that's it. So you can just put this text up here. You can just delete this. So let's delete all of this. Let's delete this one as well. And that's the button. I can also increase the size. So you can just increase the size of the button. And that's it. I'm going to delete this. And that's it. That's the button. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go and edit this button. I'm going to write, for example, get instant access. So I'm going to click on the button. I'm going to scroll right down. I'm going to see headline. So you can see headline. You can see buy now. So we want to change that to, for example, get instant access. And as you can increase the font size. So we want to increase the font size. So you can see the size is 16. So I can increase it, for example, to 25. I can see the size has increased. And that's it, guys. So what you're going to do from here is I can just delete this. And that's all. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the affiliate marketplace and you're going to get your affiliate link right here. So click on get your affiliate link, and as you're going to input your nickname, click on generate hub links, and as you're going to input your affiliate link right here. Copy the affiliate link, go back to the builder, and as you're going to click on the button, I'm going to click on this link icon, click on set link, input your URL right here, click on save. You can also input the URL as well on the image. So I'm just going to select the image as well, click on link, I'm going to input a link right here. Click on save, and that's it. I'm just going to click on publish, and my affiliate and my landing page is already ready for me to start promoting this product. So click on that, is fine. And that's it. So we're going to click on go to website, and we're going to see how the landing page is going to look like. So you can see our landing page is already done. I click on the image, it's going to go to our affiliate link right here. I click on the button as well. That's it, it's going to go to our affiliate link. So we're going to do is we're going to go and just copy this URL. You can also go on connect your domain as well on Builder. You can just use this domain that's given to you and you can start running some campaigns. So I can do is I can also go and edit this legal information right here, but for this example we're just going to delete that. So let me just delete that. For this example, we're just going to delete that, and you can just delete this. We can just go and edit this and put your own information there as well. So once our landing page is ready, what we're going to do is we're going to go and create a simple campaign. So what we're going to do, let me show you how you're going to go and create this campaign very easily and start getting some results. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Google Ads campaign. So you're going to go to Google Ads and you're going to create a simple campaign. I'm going to show you how you're going to get very targeted traffic to your Google Ads campaign. So you're going to make a lot of money. So be sure to watch step by step, guys, and take action on this method. So once you go to Google Ads, what you're going to do is you're going to choose website traffic. I'm going to choose a video. I'm going to show you how you can go and get the videos very easily for completely free from the product landing page. So right here you can just name the campaign. So I'm just going to, for example, sing. I'm just going to, for example, sing. What I mostly do is that I mostly use maximize conversions, but you can use target CPA. I can write, for example, you can get started with $25 per day to start running this particular ad right here. So what I'm going to do for me is that you're going to scroll right down. I want to click on this. I want to add to run only on YouTube videos. So you're going to uncheck this because this can waste you a lot of money. And the languages, you want to choose English right here. Click on English. And the country, I mostly get started with United States, but you can also input other countries, for example, United Kingdom, Canada. So those are some countries I can target. I can get a lot of money from those countries as well. So you can put Canada. So you include Canada and click on target. And that is it. So for the inventory, you can leave it as standard. Most of the time I use expanded inventory. And that is also what you're going to do from here is I can just leave the ad group name like this. So next step is you're going to go and select the age group. So this particular product is for both men and women. So what I can do is I can just uncheck the age group and leave, for example, from 25 to 34, because many from 18 to 24 don't have the money to buy this product. So we want people that already have the money to buy our product. So what I can do is I can just scroll right down, and what I'm going to do for me is I'm going to go and input placements. So we're not going to be using keywords, we're going to be using placement, which means that we're going to be putting our video ad in front of particular videos. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go and click on enter multiple placements, and I'm going to find videos that are related to singing, and I'm going to go and place your ad in front of those videos. So to do that, guys, I use another tool. So this is another tool that I use. It's called Blio. So this is a tool that I use to go and find videos very easily. So I find a lot of profitable videos that I can go and put my ad in front of and get me the highest amount of results. So you can go and get the tool. So the tool is at $99, but if you click a link in the description, you can go and get it as a discount price at $39. So the price has increased from $29 to $39. So if you're not going to get this software right now, the price is going to continue rising. So I show you guys in one of my videos, the price was at $29, and now they have increased the price to $39. So you can go and get this tool right now, and it's going to save you a lot of money, and it's going to save you a lot of time. So I'm going to leave the link in the description as well. So this tool is going to help us to find a lot of targeted videos that we can go and run this ad in front of. So once you go inside the software, what you're going to do is you're going to go and click on video search. So you can see this is your dashboard. You're going to click on get started on video search. You're going to type keywords that are related to singing. So let me show you how easy it is for you to go and get targeted traffic and promote this product and get a lot of sales. So you're going to type, for example, here, right here, learn how to sing. Here, for example, how to sing, and click on search. You're going to find a lot of videos that's teaching people on how to sing, and these are targeted videos because people that are searching on YouTube on how to sing are people that are interested in singing lessons. And what we're going to do is we're going to want to provide them with singing lessons, and they are more likely to buy our product because they already want to learn how to sing. So we're going to click on search. It's going to find us a lot of videos that we can go and use and put our ads in front of and promote our singing product. So you can see I already searched some results. You can see right here. So you can see these are videos that you can go and put our ads in front of, and you can see that these particular videos are already running different ads. So on this tool, you can also go and spy on ads that other affiliates are running and promoting different affiliate products. So right here, so let me show you guys an example. So if you click right here, you can see the ad that is running on this particular video right here. So let me click on view and let's see the ad. So you can see this is another ad that is running on here. So you click on the second one, you're going to see that they're also running different ads right here. And that's it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and find a lot of these videos, and you're going to go and place your ads in front of these videos. So you can see these are very targeted videos. So many people run ads and place a lot of ads in front of these videos, promoting their own singing products as well. So let's click on this ad as well, and let's see which product they're promoting. So you can see, if you click on this video right here, you can see that this is a video that is promoting a singing product as well. So you can see this particular video has up to 37 million views. And this is a product that has been on, so you can see the product is a superior singing method. So this is a product that has been on Clickbank for a long time. It's no longer on Clickbank. So they're running ads as well, targeting these videos I'm showing you guys today. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and copy the URLs of this. So you're going to select the ones that are relevant. You're going to copy the URLs, and you're also going to go and place your own video ad in front of those videos. So in this software, what you're going to do is you're going to go and click on select all. You're going to select all these videos. You're going to go and copy all the URLs, click on show URLs, copy all these URLs, and you're going to go to your campaign. You're going to go and paste them right here. So you're going to paste right here and click on add placements. So you're going to click on add placements, and that is going to be added. So you can see right here, this is where your ads are going to show on. So your ads are going to show in front of these videos that are already very targeted.